Hello everyone, myself Lakshmi, and I have completed my graduation in the stream of BTech Electronics and Communications Engineering. Since I want to enter into the IT field, I was been searching for an institute in the Bangalore. I have gone through the Google, and since the reviews are very good for SDLC Training Institute, I reached them, and Santosh sir explained me everything, and the guidelines provided by the management are very good, and also I had a demo class online, and the trainer is very good, so I joined this Python course online, and before the lockdown this was, and after the lockdown we have reached the institute, and the guidelines and everything provided by the management are very good. I have completed my course around about 50%. This was very good, so I just suggest everyone to join here, and also this was the best institute and guaranteed placements will be available. Okay, I thank to the team of SDLC, and thank you everyone.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.